This question is concerning an NIW, or a National Interest Waiver. This is a self-petition that does eventually allow you to obtain residency in the United States. You can apply for it whether you're currently in the U.S. or outside of the U.S. In order to be successful on this kind of application, you have to first meet 3 of the following 6 requirements. The first is to have an advanced degree. The second is 10 years of work experience. The third is a license or certification to practice that profession. The fourth is evidence that you've commanded a high salary or a salary that's high for that occupation. The fifth is membership in a professional organization. And the sixth is recognition for your achievements in that profession. So remember, just 3 out of 6 of those. Once you can establish that you meet 3 out of 6, then you have to demonstrate that it's in the national interest of the United States to grant you this particular visa. So for example, to show that there is a shortage of that occupation in the U.S., show the effects it would have on the health or economy of the U.S. You will use the form I-140 to apply for this visa. That form is typically used when an employer is filing for you, but in this case, it is a self-petition, so there are parts of that form that you are not going to fill out, but that is the correct form to use. In addition to the I-140, you also need a 9089-750, a statement of proposed endeavor, and also an argument as to how you meet 3 of those 6 requirements that were listed earlier. This is an application that you can file on your own. You are not required to hire an attorney for this process. However, hiring an attorney is beneficial if you are confused at all about how to meet the requirements. You can contact us at Holloway Legal for assistance. Now that said, let's analyze the question. So the number 1 requirement was a degree. He has a PhD from the University of Nigeria. That's going to meet the 1. The second one is 10 years of full-time work experience. Here, we have 16 years of full-time experience. So that meets the 2 requirements. The next is going to be a license or certification. This person has a PhD. I think we can draw a reasonable inference that they have a teaching license or certification. The next one is evidence of salary. That's not mentioned here, so we'll say that they already have 3 of those. But you want to make a strong case. So if you meet the other requirements, you want to mention those too. So any memberships regarding biology or teaching, he's going to want to mention those as well. Any recognition of achievements, which you also have here. 1,400 citations Google Scholar, 800 citations on ResearchGate, 60 journal publications. This person looks like they would be a great candidate for a national interest waiver.